guys, in this video I'm going to review question ccb1ab92. This is from the College Board Question Bank, but if you're looking for more command of evidence questions, how to approach them, join me and I'll show you how I do it. On these quantitative ones, I always read the question first. We want to effectively use data from the graph to complete the text. And then I'm just going to see what do I need to complete. And I'm just going to start here. They concluded that REM sleep may not be homeostatically regulated in fur seals, citing as evidence the fact that the seals in the study, so I need to figure out what in the world does homeostatically regulated mean. And I'm going to back up. So I read what I need. I'm going to read this conclusion sentence first. If I don't understand something, I will back up and figure it out. Research suggested that REM sleep in animals is homeostatically regulated. Here's what that means. Animals compensate for periods of REM sleep deprivation by increasing subsequent REM sleep. When on land, fur seals get enough REM sleep, but during the weeks when they're in the water, they get almost none. In a study of fur seal sleep habits, they recorded the REM sleep as a percentage of baseline of fur seals once they had returned to land. They concluded that REM sleep may not be homeostatically regulated in fur seals, citing as evidence the fact that the seals in the study. So now I'm going to anticipate the answer. Homeostatically regulated means that they're compensating for sleep deprivation. So when they go back to land, they're going to sleep more REM sleep than they otherwise needed or would. And if the REM sleep is as a percentage of baseline of the fur seals once they return to land is about the same as when they weren't on land, then it's probably not homeostatically regulated. So this is sleep on land after extended period in the water, and we have seal B, A, and C. We have 3 different seals, and we have REM sleep as a percentage of baseline. If it is homeostatically regulated, these bars should be over 100, right? I should be compensating for my loss of sleep. But these 3 bars, 1, 2, 3, aren't compensating much at all. I mean, maybe this one a little bit, but especially these 2, seal C on day 1, seal B on day 2, they're about the same and they're getting less sleep here than they did in the water, which is kind of weird, or than they do at baseline. Which I guess means when they're well rested. So those 2 don't tell me that like they're homeostatically regulating themselves. So I'm going to say the seals in the study didn't show significantly less REM sleep during the second day after returning than they did in the first, but there's different seals. So it's really seal C on day 1, seal B on day 2. Showed no significant differences from one another at the baseline levels. That's not true. Didn't consistently demonstrate a significant increase in REM sleep after their period of deprivation. Yeah, they didn't consistently demonstrate, meaning there's 2 seals that like weren't sleeping like that. So they weren't getting this extra pad of sleep. Showed no significant difference between REM sleep after returning to land and REM sleep while in the water. So this might be tempting, but some of them did and some of them didn't. And that's why D is better because, or C is better rather, because it talks about consistently demonstrate a significant increase. They sometimes did and they sometimes didn't. It's not that there's no significant difference. There is a difference for some of them, but not for all of them. And so that's not consistent. So I can't say no, this is like too extreme, but the consistency problem is actually what the problem is. So this is more precise, and that's why C is correct and D is wrong. If you're looking for more awesome questions like this, check out our online course at SupertutorTV.com. We have 1,200 plus items organized by difficulty level. We have more command of evidence quantitative questions. Trust me, there's some really wicked hard ones. We've had students score 1,600 using our online course. You could be next. We also have a platform for tutors to assign this as homework for you. So if you have a tutor and you want your tutor to like track you and stuff, get in touch. So there you go, SupertutorTV.com, go check it out.